नमस्कार. पळया प्रुडंट खबरो. अल्पवयीन चलयेच्या बलात्कार केशीन आरोपी आमदार बाबूशाक आणि 3 दीस पोलीस कस्टडी. पीडित चलयेच्या आरोपी आवयकूय आणि 3 दीस रिमांड. आम आदमी पार्टीची धोरणा सगळ्यांक समान, मायनॉरिटी मेजॉरिटी कांयच लागना. आपाचो गोय प्रभारी पंकज गुप्ता म्हणटा अजून कॅप्टन ना होच प्रॉब्लेम. आयएसएलान एफसी गोवाक घाल्ली पेनल्टी. हो अन्याय. एफसी गोवाचे आयएसएलाच्या निकालाक आव्हान. बाजू आयकूंक ना म्हूण सहमालकाचे आव्हान. गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष चेतन देसाई म्हणटा डीसीबी बँक अकाउंटा बद्दल कांयच खबर नाशिल्ले. चौकशी करपाक नेमतले कमिटी. पुलिशेन कागाळ. कॉलेजींनी चॉयस बेस्ड क्रेडिट पद्दत फुडले शिक्षणीक वर्सा सावन कॉलेजींक सध्या अडचणी. सध्या ही पद्दत लागू करप कठीण. मुख्यमंत्र्यान घेतली बसका. आणि डॅन आणि कात्या कोयलो राज पावण्यार बोर्ड सेलिंग सर्तीन वस्तात. सेलिंग सर्तीन चल्याचे गटान रौनक पै. चल्यांचे गटान रिसा फर्नांडीस उपवस्तात. राष्ट्रीय सर्तीन पात्र. खबरो विस्तारान. अल्पवयीन चलयेच्या बलात्कार केशीन आरोपी आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेराताक आनी 3 दीस पुलीस कस्टडीन उरतलो. पीडित चलयेच्या आरोपी आवयकूय 3 दिसाचो रिमांड दिला. तिच्या जामिनाचेर 12 मायाक सुनावणी जातली. बाबूशाची सोमारा आयपीएचबीनूय सायकॅट्रिक टेस्ट जाली. ताचो रिपोर्ट येवपाचो आसा.
अल्पवयीन चलयेच्या बलात्कार केशीन आरोपी आमदार बाबूश पुलीस चौकशेन सहकार्य दिना. अजून साक्षीदारांची जबानी घेवपाची आसा अशें म्हणत पुलिसांनी ताची 10 दिसांची कस्टडी मागली. बाबूश आपूण जावन पुलिसांच्या स्वाधीन जाला. मात पुलिसांनी 3 दिसांत सारकी चौकशी केल्ली ना. पुलीस फक्त मेडिकल टेस्टी करीत आसात. तो साक्षीदारांकडेनूय मेतेर जायना म्हूण ज्येष्ठ आदोगाद सरेश लोटलीकारान चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्टान आर्ग्युमेंट घालो. कोर्टान बाबूशाक आनीक 3 दिसांचो पुलीस रिमांड दिला.
We have submitted before the court that we have cooperated with the investigation. Whatever was to our knowledge has been disclosed to the investigating officer, but we still feel that the investigation is not proceeding on fair lines because the prosecution agency has not collected a lot of evidence which would go to show that Babush Monserrat is actually innocent. So they have to get this evidence which they have failed to do so till date. So we feel that the investigation is still not progressing on the proper lines. See, they have to collect evidence which may go against or in favor also of the accused. So keeping the evidence which is in favor of the accused and will go to show that is innocent, does not make the investigation fair. So we feel that the investigation is biased, and right from the beginning we have said that the statement of the girl was manipulated and appears it was manipulated right from the Child Welfare Committee.
बाबूशाच्यो सध्या मेडिकल टेस्टी चालूच आसा. सोमारा ताची आयपीएचबीन सायकियाट्रिक टेस्ट जाली. टेस्टीचो रिपोर्ट येवपाचो आसा. दुसरे वटेन पीडित चलयेचे आरोपी आवयक 3 दिसांचो पुलीस रिमांड दिला. तिणे जामीन अर्ज घाला. तिचो रिमांड 12 मेक सोंपता. तेन्नाच तिच्या जामीन अर्जाचेर सुनावणी जातली.
Today we had filed a bail application for a release. She was to be also produced for remand after 3 days. She has been again granted 3 days police custody remand for further investigations.
What were your argument?
It was their case that I have sold my girl for 50 lakhs of rupees. They have raided my house. They have got nothing except 4,000 which was my salary. And she's working as a housemaid with different people. And 2 people had paid her 2,500 and 1,500 each. So they have recovered 4,000 rupees, but they are not attached, finding that they are from a salary. Nothing apart from that, nothing has been recovered from me till today.
तिसरी आरोपी मध्यस्थ रोजी फेरोस सध्या पुलीस कस्टडीन आसा. बुधवारा तिका रिमांडाक कोर्टान व्हरतले. बाबूश आनी पीडित चलयेच्या आवय मदीं जाल्ल्या सौद्याक मध्यस्थी केली म्हूण रोजीचेर आरोप. आपल्या आवयन आपल्याक बाबूशाक 50 लाखांक विकिल्ले. बाबूशान आपल्याक कितें तरी पिवंक दिवन आपल्याचेर बलात्कार केलो म्हूण ते पीडित चलयेन पुलीस कागाळ केल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार, तुळशीदास च्यारी आनी देवेंद्र गांवकार.
आम आदमी पार्टी गोंयांत सत्तेर आयल्यार खंयच्याय एका समाजाक म्हूण वावुरचो ना. पार्टीचे धोरण सगळ्याक समान, सगळ्यांच्याच बऱ्याचे आसतले. मायनिंगाचेर मिनेरांक धरून सगळ्या कडेन आप चर्चा करता. मायनिंग सुरू करप आनी बेकायदेशीर मायनिंगाचेर कारवाय हे दोनूय वेगवेगळे विशय. आपाचो गोंय प्रभारी पंकज गुप्ता प्रुडंटाच्या हेडोनान उलयलो. सध्या पक्षाक गोंयान एक कॅप्टन ना, होच आमचो प्रॉब्लेम अशें तो म्हणटा.
Similarly, in Goa, we will not be working for minorities, which is Christian or Muslim or for Hindus. We are not going to work for them. Even if someone comes and says that, what are you going to do for us? Us means this particular community or this particular gender or this. We are not going to say that we are going to do this for you.
You have a coach, that is you. You are an observer. You have very good volunteers.
Number of people who have come up now, and they are so enthusiastic. You would always see them on the field.
The biggest bottleneck is the captain.
Captain will come.
Captain will come.
We will definitely find the captain. So anywhere between 36 to 40 we can find. So that was what my answer was. Now what has happened in between that?
From working in 25 constituencies to being confident of fighting 38 constituencies.
Right. We cannot replace Congress, because what Congress does, we can never do. We will never do what Congress does. So please don't say that we are replacing Congress.
What is your party stand? How would you like mining to happen if your party comes to power?
That मैं यहाँ बैठकर या अपने कमरे में बैठकर मैं पॉलिसी नहीं डिसाइड करूँगा, because that is not the way we do it. We have been talking to mine owners. People may feel, अरे ये mine owner के साथ बात कर रहा है. But why not? Unless we talk to mine owners and know their side of story, it does not mean that we are sleeping with them. And it does not mean that they should not be talked to. Unless we know that side, we will never know what they come. We went to all the mining belt, 12, 13 constituencies. Females have sold their ornaments, their houses are being dervied. Whole shops which were perhaps once flourishing are now dead. Dead in the sense that there is no customer in there. Women are weeping that their kids or boys have no jobs, no skills, nothing. These are the real issues. I am here since last 6 months. I don't hear any politician talking of it. No one is even talking about कि वहाँ पे mining अगर बंद हो गई. One, mining is why not being started. There are two separate issues. One is what is happening to the illegal mining. One is that how the mining can be actually started. Mining needs to be started because it is an economic activity.
And the illegality needs to be tackled separately.
Illegality needs to be tackled separately. That we are going to all the stakeholders together. Instead of having divisive policy, we are going to, and we are talking separately to all the stakeholders. What I am realizing that when I talk to this stakeholder and this stakeholder, none of them have sat together, ever. None of them have tried even to get them together and come to a consensus that okay, this could be a. Now the situation has been reached, right? Someone took a wrong decision and created this issue.
ISLन FC गोवाक घाल्ली पेनल्टी निसर्गीक न्यायाआड म्हूण FC गोवान निकालाक आव्हान दिला. फायनल मॅची उपरांत जाल्ले कास्की सावाची अनएडिटेड फुटेज स्टार टीव्हीन दिल्ली ना. साक्षीदारांची उलट तपासणी करपाक दिल्ली ना म्हूण FC गोवाचो आर्ग्युमेंट. बाजू मांडपाक दिना म्हूण FC गोवाचे सहमालक दत्तराज सळगावकर आनी श्रीनिवास देप्यान स्वतंत्र आव्हान दिला.
ISLन FC गोवाचेर 11 कोटींची फायन घाल्या. तशेंच फुडले सिजनाक 15 पॉयंट मायनस केल्यात. ह्या निकालाक FC गोवान आव्हान दिला. हो निर्णय निसर्गीक न्यायाआड म्हूण FC गोवाचो आर्ग्युमेंट. AIFF आव्हान समितीन जैसे थे स्थितीचो आदेश दिल्लो. ISLाक तो लागू. AIFF शिस्तभंग समिती आनी ISL नियामक आयोगान स्वतंत्र चौकशी केल्या. एकाच गजालीक 2 फावटी दंड दिवं नज. स्टार टीव्हीन फायनली उपरांत जाल्ले काचकी सावांची अनएडिटेड फुटेज दिवंक ना. साक्षीदारांची उलट तपासणी करूंक दिवंक ना. पुरावे मांडपाक दिवंक ना. FC गोवाचो सहमालक दत्तराज साळगावकर आनी श्रीनिवास देपेचेर दरेकी 3 आनी 2 वर्सांची बंदी घाल्या. निकालाक तांणी आव्हान दिला. सुनावणे वेळार आयोगान बाजू आयकून घेवंक ना म्हूण तांचो आर्ग्युमेंट. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
घेऊया एक विराम.